Okay, so looking at the 4 nuts, there was only 3 lock washers, so 1 lock washer missing off this bike. Alright, what's the matter there now? I think oh, I see. I see the problem. I gotta take off this in order to get this past here. I have to take off this whole linkage mechanism. Okay, no problem. I'll get that done. Now, that one, I think, is 17 millimeter. Yep. There we go. And then this one, what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my, because it's kind of in there, so I'm going to get my 17 millimeter socket for that guy. There's my 17, there it is. Get that one off. There we go. There we are. Is there probably washer bushing? Oh yeah, okay, I see what there is. All right. This one's got the indicator pointer on it. Now, is that going to come up? How does that go? Oh, okay. That's interesting. Okay, so this has the indicator on top, but underneath has another one. Another nut, rather, another nut. So that's got to come off. Now, is this going to be, oh, use the wrench. That socket's not deep enough. I'm not going to go bother with my deep sockets, I'll just use this. So I'll have to remember when I go to put this back on, that this goes on after the cap, or the end cap goes on. There we go. Now what about you? Why are you not sliding up easily? This one's moving a bit anyway. Got a washer. This one's got a washer. No, doesn't want to come up, eh? The washer's not holding it in place. That's for sure. What's holding it in place? Well, I might get my small screwdriver in there and just gently pry. I don't want to mar the surface. I'm not sure why that's not coming out. No reason it shouldn't come up. It's got no nut in the way. Well, I think what I'll do is I will take the wheel off. The wheel won't. Well, yeah, no, the wheel will come off. It'll just push the end cap out. And then once I get the wheel off, then I can mess with the end cap. Not sure why it doesn't want to come out. I gotta move my magnet. Darn. Yep, move my magnet out of the way because the wheel rim's gonna hit it, so I guess I'll end up having to take that right off. Oh, okay. What size is that? So we'll look. No, I think that's 12. Yeah, that's probably about 12. 12? No, 14. Yep, 14. This is also I used the mud guard front fender support for this. Fasten that on, just a handy spot to fasten it. Excuse me. So there we go. Right now it should come out. There shouldn't be anything in the way. There we go. Now I'll figure that out. Put the other end cap up there. All right, so there we go. Now why? Why is that on there like that? That's interesting. I'll get that up on the table and I'll have a look. But while I got it here, you can see I got a confession to make. This is the original tire from 1995. So it's 2019 now. It's a 24-year-old tire. Talk about procrastinating. Every few years I'd remember, oh, you know what, I should change the tires. You should change your tires if they're older than 5 years old. So 24, these tires are really not safe. The compound, even though I never drove them in any salty weather, the bike never sat outside, you know, other than when it was being used. It was always stored indoors, so it didn't get a lot of ultraviolet. So this particular tire, the front one, is quite worn down. It's got a little bit left, but it's just too old, and the rubber itself, you can feel it just doesn't have the elasticity that a new one does. So I'll move this over, and I'll grab a new one, and I'll show you that. Now, here's one of the ones I ordered. It's the exact same tire. It's an Avon Speedmaster Mark II. And there's the size. They don't make the same size as they did in 95. The numbers are slightly different, but this is the one to order. 3.25. It's a 19-inch wheel. 545 front tubed tire, because of course this takes a tube. And there is the information, so I hope you can see that and read that. But the treads are definitely deeper because there's no wear on this, but when I'm holding it, either in my gloved or my bare hand, like the rubber is so supple and you can just feel it's got grit. Like here, you know, if I put just a little pressure on my thumb, you can't even pull this glove across the thing, across the face of it, this nitrile dipped glove. So, you know, like there's wicked traction on this. So this is the rear tire. This is my new rear tire. I'll grab or front tire rather. I'll grab the rear tire for you.